Want to learn Windows Server but don't want to mess up on your real PC? In this video, I will show you how to install Windows Server safely in a virtual machine, so you can practice, test and experiment without any risk. Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I am going to show you how you can install Windows Server inside a virtual machine using VMware. Alright, first thing first, open up VMware workstation on your PC. As you can see here, I already have multiple operating systems installed on my virtual machine. Click on create a new virtual machine, select typical recommended and press next. Press next. Press next. Give your virtual machine a name like Windows Server Testing and choose where you want it saved. Now set the disk size. I usually give around 60 to 100 GB depending on your version and storage space. Then click customize hardware to assign CPU and RAM. Now browse your Windows Server ISO file. It can be Server 2012, 16, 19 or 22. Whatever you have, select it. After that, close and continue. Now power it on. VMware will boot from your ISO. Choose your language. Click install now. Select your Windows Server Edition. Accept license. Choose custom install. Select the disk and press next. It will start copying files and take a few minutes. Once installation complete, it will ask you to set admin password. Create a strong one, you will need it for login. Press Ctrl Alt Delete inside a VMware, enter your password. You are inside your Windows Server system. And that's it, your Windows Server is now fully installed in a virtual machine. You can play around a configure roles, try Active Directory, whatever you want without risking your main PC. If you want a video on how to configure role like DHCP, DNS or Active Directory, just drop a comment and I will make the next. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Maddy Tech for more tech videos.